When you receive the Alexa flashing and pre-provisioning system, it's going to look a little bit like this in this box. So in this video, we're going to go over the setup procedure to be able to use this. First things first, we'll open the box up and actually open this lid up. And you'll see it packed similarly to this. So we have all of the devices and things that in here that we need to be able to flash and also pre-provision sensors. So just unload all of these materials, put the keyboard somewhere comfortable. I'm going to pull out the power cable. This is for the whole box. We'll set that there for now. This is the barcode scanner that we'll use for pre-provisioning, and also the mouse stuffed in here. So once all of those items are out, you can go ahead and return to the back of the device. And right back here is where we'll plug in the power cable. So it's a standard AC power cable. Put that in like that. And good to go. Just make sure that's well seated. And then we can plug in to your power outlet. And then go ahead and turn the box on, like so. Now back around the front, you'll see the screen turn on, and you'll see these blue lights come on. So inside of the case, we have to turn on now the computer, which is this box here, and then this is a label printer. So I'll just go ahead and get the label printer turned on. You just hold the power button for a few seconds, and then we'll also turn the computer on, which uses this power button in the back. So we'll click that. Just one click, and wait a minute here for everything to boot up. Okay, the system is booted up now, so you'll see just a normal Windows login screen. So we'll go ahead and do that. The password will be provided to you in the directions. And now we're in. So we have all of our items here. We have the printer turned on. We have our scanner, our keyboard and mouse. And at this point, we're ready to go. So in the next videos, we'll discuss the LW-GLD1 pre-provisioning, and we'll also go over GLD1, GLD1v2 programming.